Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. This video is going to be very important for you. You will learn at least 5 Excel functions. Here we have two sheets. One is sales data, second is for the calculation. Our task is to get the sales manager name and their respective sales data. Second task is to get the category wise sales and their count, and the minimum sales, maximum sales, and the average sale. To get the manager's name, we'll use the unique function. Just type unique, select the manager name, range, close the bracket, hit enter. To get the total sales with respect to the manager, we will use SUMIF function. Type SUMIF range means the criteria range. We'll select the manager name column, comma, the criteria. Our criteria is this one, comma, and the sum range. Sum range means the sales data column. Close the bracket, hit enter. Now just drag the formula down. Done. Now we'll move to the second part of the video, sales by category. So just again we'll use the unique function. Unique. This time we'll select the category column. Close the bracket, hit enter. Again to count, we'll use COUNTIF function. Select the range. This time we'll select the category column. The criteria. Close the bracket, hit enter, and now we'll drag the formula down. It's done. To get the maximum sales and minimum sales, average sales, so we'll use the first minimum function, min. Now we'll select the range of total sales. Done. To get the maximum one, we'll use the max formula. Again select the total. Done. To get the average one, we'll use the average function. Again select the total sales value. Close the bracket, hit enter. I hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.